Ki Paidbah ka Meghalaya lingba ka Sorkar Meghalaya kila ai ka jing Khublei ba Khatduh ya u Dr. Donwa that well Lapang ha ka khat santarik nailor ka sngi lit on tep ya o. Shwa banra ya ka met jong u shamadan students jayaw ha ka por shipau ba jimin step kabalang Presbyterian ka lapalong ye ka jingle burom bat jingken mau tempang ye ki mati jong ni urang ba ubala penno bun ba ki baha ki bede bat ka roy ka par jong ki Paidbah kani ka jala. Hadin ka jingle burom labut sedig jingle niam bat jingdwai na kaliang kabalang Presbyterian na kabenta ka jingjat hat ka mensim jong u. Andala dep ki jingle niam na ying shong jong u ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala shimti ka senduk met yap jong ba Lapang bat ra eka da ka bayat procession suki jai shamadan students jayaw ban beteng ye ki jing Donburom ye uni urang ba. Lapin po pin ping ye kamadan student na ka benta kini ka jing temu bat ki lok ki jor ki ba ej bathon ki le tut shikini kamadan ban Khublei Khatduh yo ba Lapang. Hakini ka jingle burom ki ofisar rang ba ki menteri ka Khuborjylla ki nomi khamat Paidbah ki labu pan sengiat sentiu ha ka jaka balabu ye ka senduk met yap jong ba Lapang. Ki nongkren hakini ka jingle burom Khatduh yo ba Lapang ki kentup yo menteri rang ba Konrad ki sangma Dr. Mukul sangma ba Charles Marngar. Nakaliang ka ying la kren mensim do ba baluk bela ukun jong ba Lapang ubalanyaw tangi ki mati jong kupa kum unong yalam unong sandur unong betelenti uba shanya teli hagi kun ba hagi ying kasem. Ulapin kan mau bah ka jing jong ba Lapang ubu ningkong ki jing don kam jong ki wei bat ulong ubriu ubalung mensim habo yu bagi briu ki shitam ki jenjar bat hababan ka jing pang ka jing shitam. Ulo ongru udai ubriu uba yu ublei bat ki jing dwai. Hakini arteli ushanya bat uskem ka jing ulo ong. Habalakut ka jing le buram lara ya ka senduk met yap suki jai rengkat ka jing kan ut sur ki bagpiper ya ka jing rwai. Abide with me, sya ulum jing tep kabalang Presbyterian hapen no waking ban pendep ya kan yam yap bakado.
Yang halo veteran politician and former Chief Minister, late Dr. Lapang, has now arrived. The casket is being escorted to the pavilion by the ceremonial guard, accompanied by the solemn strains. The casket has been placed. May I request one and all to please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Rashtra salute in honor of the departed soul. May I request one and all to kindly be seated.
Shopret Salame Sash Up 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 Shopret Bajo Sash Shopret
With all my grateful heart, and though in deep sorrow, yet to celebrate the life of an extraordinary leader and a beloved father figure, Mahe Dr. Didi Lapang. Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Deputy Chief Ministers, Honorable MP Lok Sabha, Leader of Opposition, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, ex-MLAs, MDCs, ex-MDCs, our Chief Secretary, and all government officers, respected leaders, the General Presbyterian Church, friends, my beloved people of Reborn and Meghalaya, greetings to you all. Ijin Khublei Bakirpang, Yegi Yengesan, Yinya Bai, Kurim Jogi Mahe Lapang, Ametes Linda Jones Ba, Babalok Ukun Rangba, Ukun Siu, Giva Vanda, Dari, Ukun Jogi Babalok, Bat Kisawut Ikunya, Bat Kipusapurim. Ngayon hagili ko po, balay jingkran kaya, ikijingim kabagkodo, kajong imahe Didi Lapang, kakijing syakri kajong iya katamri ba, bat iya kajalahi para po. Hindi, ngamdak takhan ikimat kijura, hagabede bat kajala, naman kidon kimangyalam jobaskit, bangkran Shakar Jari. Imahe Lapang hindi na Krishnong ng Jari, Krishnong Hanong Kundang, Krishnong Gabarit, Hatam Ribuan. Ukun Kansin, Ubuan na Iyem Gadok, Kambang Ublay lo Seyo, Kumkun na Tsura. Kumboblay lo Seyo Moses na Kao, Yaw Joseph na Katliyo, Yaw David kumuhong akwabra, Ublay Maseyo Mahe Lapang, Banlang Unang Yalang Ibukra. Katremli boy, Hagapor bay Mahe Gatsdang Ban Hikmat Ban Shukri, Kadanglang kong Kashraba, Kajinduk, Kajingbi, At Kijimpang Babunja, Kislok Kanjan. Day Hawling Rambakin, Adi juga terang berkiwai kiri rumah, berkisnang bangkat tengkong, ikijinduk, kijingyat dia, kijimpang, berkantam dan kentira, ia kepulia keputri, kekatan ribuan. Hakabai mahe ilasen, buntri kiskul ribuan. Mahe lalong nonsen, ia keribuan college, hanungpo. Lalong nonsen, ia keribuan garba. Lalong nonsen ye Khubor District Sports Association. Lalong nonsen ye Khubor Youth Federation. Lalong nonsen ye Northern College sa Umdana. Pagkiway ki babon, ulalong ulosen. Kiba kapor kamsha banjer lokale. Kawai ke kamba ke imahe di Lapang ilale kalau. Dan penyo ke district Bapura. Hak sauteri Khubojylla kesem Khatduh spa kendai buah. Kini sisa kesem jom bercikaman. Ika tamri buah barok oya. Di hanya ketian kau. Ya kila berbel. Hindai kumlo kila. Mabiana kilan kiat kibalan bu hak ketian buah. Dei kikam jompi mahe bahapkam kini hati barok kesur jompi mahe bakan habakran cuang lenggo longkung kaum batut man kekentot lahi sipenroy adai hot sisa bakak ihati ukba katakan ribahan kumu personal assistant jami dalam sibun gijino qualities baiklah kum datang kendiat dari kepor dan tua bersih kepor dan tempau kuning kepeningkau kecil seluruh kebidang kebaar kecil yasa kebidang lada kerendeng diikat hokanlah itrei lakam isi kamu baladat undan babeng yok nasara kebalai ketinggian kor potentiality kesakiru halu ke service ipoi hame ke service on time kejimbang dan pelekor idan laka library yen jami kebahe kejimbang disiplin kejami kejinjong kitab akaryam gaben nyo wajem step ila depsum ila ponsur kabangiju o 3 pieces ubaklan ban buway hari lekad igi bapa inju kulat ban ide ibreu badon kejing snow ya kibale bah hakaway gamit hakapor shirije ikunya yung Charles dalam kam kaki iwe ikon kuntang pasal berkuni ikon jami hadirin ikon gila yuk berkeren bat aikren yi kaikon kapal sibete ala tiap ikon ya yung Charles Khublei sibo kata kata pemesin kurata kecil semua umahnya ulang babang dan ule ke Bible kecil kejabat ulang-ulang itu kanal besar. Khatduh kini bijimpran bagi beliau bikin mau. Hidup TCM dan terkenal yang disangka itu boleh. Iya. Kawai kejil itu kanal yang mahal berikran. Kadai syakar urang lamba. Balas beliau di bawah bangkol. Kin sebabnya. Kabar keseman berkerau di belakang. Kabaki babon kena bangkalat. Ikran syakar kesuki kebetil lane the empty chair. Bagi wei keseman di berkerau. Kabaki lakran. Ila abang penyam beliau. Habai ikran. Hatu program Islam Arjat Khublei Bangalore Hafid Institution. Sispak san fotam dikna khasi di betul. Diam kecekaran kejalan. Ilang ulang betul. Nangka. Udan kecik berkat lakukan takalawai. Ulang beliau berkat ban gerum lalai ban termi imam yalam. Yang hangnya kum wei kita. Rengkat kiwai kira rambak kibas saki. Iba imahe ila gerum yaitu. Hangnya ngidana iba meral bonsim. UMLA Kanangko konstituensi. Ngimlah dan jerlok laksan ini. Umahe lapang di beliau ledak bantang itu. Dekat kini jauh. Kekini mahe lapang itu hanaya. Balada impoyin hakapor keberbu. Imyo jaban bang. Na kata-kata utai beliau ugobiang por. Beliau bersenyap Khublei. Khublei lale ki kamba I mehe apa. Pada kamba ke Khublei lo sei mehe la ke jing betul. Banong ulen le hadu hasil. Banong hada kabinet minister Bursin. Banong deputy chief minister. Banong leader of opposition. But Sansin menteri kamba kejalan dia. Ini lalu montang setiap leader. Hendak buat at national level. Kita buat itu dia. Nak bentar ke temri boy yang tu sisa yang ulang yang lama berkena. Ini buat apa? Dan kintin show bantam pau ikam berkena jadi baru ini dia. Netang kejin mau ia kan mau berang. Batang kejin perto yang orang berukra. Kungkinan Shillong ke temri boy. Bat kejala baru kowe. Ngilam gelacho ipi mah. Belelah ipi kerta kejalan. Aduh Khudai Prelude tulisnya. Oh tidak kuat berniatan lang kami. Hakni kepercaya. Nilai belai kalau baik bukanti. Ya kerta kecil macam. Ya yang ni banai Khublei Khatduh ipi mah. Ringkat lagi Shillong juga temri bahai berkejalan kami. Baru lesok mah kerana dibaca cenderung berarti yo isor tapi ni cuma tangga sur balada kerana padi hadi ke sawaga skuli kita wansur bina ni baisar Hakwani yang kawai kesini Hantau berepi Mana mahen membekal Nga sayai hapi Nga dam bakisawi Basnen tiyai Mana membekal percaya hapi Yo mana membekal arsapi hapi Panmaki api mah, mentah dia suatu nyen balik Membantai berisudai Bakalawi Jadi Khatduh Syabang Syabang Itu yang ingin kesan Terpang yakinnya Apa yang kejelang teman jomkinya Khublei unahaya thi kanet bakwat bakya. Unahaya thi kejitnya dak kejit sekwa. Khublei sibun bakila ay kejit sani mai. Bila ay kejit sepi. Hidwai yathi bahab baluk. Hidwai yathi di banda dari.
With the loss of a self-made leader whose life was woven into the very fabric of our state. Dr. Donburom Lapang, our beloved Mahe, was more than a leader. He was a man whose humble beginnings were matched only by the towering legacy he leaves behind. We remember a son of the soil who walked from the dust of the roadside as a laborer, rose to the ranks with grit and grace, and led our people through some of the most challenging chapters of our history. His journey was not his alone. It was the journey of Meghalaya itself. From the early days of statehood to moments of celebration, from seasons of uncertainty to days of hope. Dr. Lapang stood as an anchor, steady, humane, and steadfast. I have known Dr. Lapang since I was a young boy, through my late father, late Shri P.A. Samla. Many years later, I had the privilege of serving alongside him in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. A powerful orator, he served with distinction as Minister of State, Cabinet Minister, Chief Minister, and Leader of Opposition. His voice echoed in the halls of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, but it also reached the last mile. He believed fiercely in dialogue. He chose peace over posturing and development rooted in our identity. He taught that leadership is not position, it is service. Service that persists when applause fades, that stands beside the last person in the line, that offers patience and dignity to the least among us. In honoring his life, we recall the work that had his imprint and his courage when he served as a Chief Minister of our state. He strengthened administration and invested in youth by upgrading Rebhoi and Bakbara into districts, forming the Cabinet Committee on Youth Affairs, transferring NCC and NSS to Sports and Youth Affairs Department, and creating the Fish Farmers Development Agency. He promoted inclusivity and justice through the Meghalaya State Commission for Women Bill, rules safeguarding persons with disabilities, reservation of posts for the disabled and sports persons, and the establishment of permanent Lok Adalats.
Not just as a son of a great leader, but as a child of a man whose life was a testament to hard work, humility, and deep love for his people. My father, Dr. Donwa Lapang, was born into a simple circumstances. He began his journey as a road worker, and through pure determination and hard work, rose to become the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, not once, but 5 times. But to me and to our family, he was never defined by his titles. He was defined by his kindness, his wisdom, and his quiet strength. My father once told me, "Son, the measure of a man is not how high he climbs, but how many people he helps climb with him." These words shaped not just my understanding of him, but what of true leadership means. He taught me that leadership is not about power, it's about service. I watched him walk through the villages of Rebhoi, not as a politician seeking votes, but as a son of the soil, listening to the heartbeat of his people. He never forget where he came from, and I never let us forget either. Before politics called him, my father was a teacher in Lapang. Not even when he became Chief chief minister, he never stopped being a teacher. He believed that education was the greatest gift you could give someone. I remember him saying, knowledge is like a lamp in the darkness. It shows you the way there and help others to find their path too. He lived by these words. He believed in the dignity of all work, whether it was building roads, farming fields, or running a government. Even in his final years as chief advisor to the government, he carried the hopes of Meghalaya with grace and humility. He never stopped learning, and he never stopped teaching either. As much as my father was a man of politics and principles, he was also about without apology. A food lover. Even if you shared a meal with him, you know his eyes lit up at the sight of a wang tangsam, which is yam cooked in a barrel of bamboo. That means yet wonderful dishes of dried fish and black sesame seed that only someone with true boy roots would crave with such passion. And don't get me started on this for the love of japna, that is sticky rice. He swore it cured everything from a bad mood to election stress. He had this amazing ability to turn even the simplest meal into a celebration. Food was his way of connecting with people, of showing love, of building bridges. These moments remind us that great leaders are also human beings, who find joy in simple pleasures, who laugh, who share stories over meals, who find comfort in the tradition of their homeland. To the world, he was a statesman. To me, he was my father. The man who held my hand when I stumbled, who taught me to speak with honesty, and showed me true greatness lies in helping others rise. He taught me that your roots matter, no matter how far you go in life. Never forget where you come from. He taught me that listening is more important than speaking, and serving others is more important than being served.